How's it going, everyone? I haven't made a video in a while, but I have a great video for you today, and I want to talk about the gear that I use and why you shouldn't spend so much money on gear in this industry when you don't have to. And also, a big mistake that people do is spending so much time focusing on gear, kind of like similar mistakes in other parts where like they spend so much time working on a logo or on a name, like things that don't really matter that much. It's all about doing high leverage tasks and doing the things that matter most and focusing on those and getting stuff done instead of just sitting there and analysis paralysis and you don't know what you're doing or you're just wasting too much time thinking about doing something. So I want to make it super simple for you, tell you exactly what you need. Ronin SC. You could get these on Facebook Marketplace or on Craigslist or OfferUp, you name it, for around 300, I want to say. These are amazing. Don't go to DJI, don't get one brand new. Never get a Ronin brand new, because the moment you walk off the lot or off the spot, you're losing 30 to 40% instantly. And if you buy them used, you'll probably get them for like 50% off and sometimes like 70% off. Same with lenses. Like this lens that I use is the 16 to 35 Sony. It's the Zeiss, it's the F4. It's not the G Master. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm recording on my AirPods, which I didn't even know you could do. I had to get a different app to do that. Which maybe for your agent talking videos, it's a good app. It's called the Blackmagic camera on iPhone. And then I use an A7 III. So Sony A7 III body, 1635 lens, F4. I just got one on Craigslist for I think $500 or $550, which in the store they're probably like double that. Obviously I'll have the links. I might be wrong. You'll see the links right here somewhere. A7 III body. And then I think the A7 III body is 1,000 something. If you're not doing video, don't get this. If you're just doing photos, you could literally work with anything. For the first 5 years, I shot with the Canon T3i because it was the first camera I got out of like high school, and I just kept using it. If you're shooting on a tripod and you're shooting with lights or even without lights, as long as it's on a tripod and you can set the ISO and the shutter speed to as long as you want, it's usually good enough. For example, like the real estate photography Facebook group, the biggest one in the world, that cover photo is my picture, and that's like out of all the pictures, that's my picture. And I used a Sony A7 III with a 10 to 18 Canon lens. That setup right now you can probably get on Pegasus together for like under $450. So if you're doing just photos, again, don't go all out. Just get a wide angle, any camera, any tripod. Especially don't spend like $300 on a tripod. You don't need that. So this is what I use for photo and video. And if I want to be really fast, because we have our photo video package for $450, if I want to be really fast and knock that out in like 20 minutes, I'll keep it on the Ronin. I'll go shoot and I'll record. Do the 1 second or 2 second clip. And I'll go to the next spot, shoot, and I'll record. And then sometimes when I'm transitioning from one spot to the other spot, I'll click record and make that one whole scene, stop, take the photos, start recording again, do another scene. Super simple. Actually, if you click the link, I have a video of me doing like a whole shoot. There's a whole video of me doing a shoot for free. I'm not selling anything. As I've been saying on every video, I'm not selling anything. So I have these, and then I have a DJI Mavic 3 Mini. I like to get the Mini because they're under 250 grams. And I don't know the exact laws, but I know in the FAA, like when they first made all their rules, it was like for drones from 250 grams to 55 pounds. And then DJI was like, okay, then we're going to start making things that are 249. And now all the Minis say 249 on it. And then I have a Ryko Zeta 3.1 for Matterport and Zillow 3D tours. Super simple, super easy. I use the same tripod for everything. I use the same tripod for the Matterports that I use for photos if I'm doing it. But sometimes I just do the photos when it's already on the Ronin. And then for twilight shots, you want to use a tripod for the photos. So that's it. I have a link down below with all the equipment that I just said. And yeah, if you have any questions, obviously leave them in the comment. I reply really fast. And if you can, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.